Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well, and today's video is solely about Shavasan. Shavasana is a highly misunderstood practice in yoga. So I'd like to first tell the benefits of Shavasana. Now, Shavasana is basically a way to consciously relax all of your body. So rest and relaxation are an important component of any fitness related activity. So it's only when you rest and incorporate enough amount of rest and relaxation and that your body gets and even mind gets restored into a stronger version of you. It is said that if you want to reap the full benefits of your yoga practice, if you want to assimilate all the benefits into your mind and body, then it is advised that we practice Shavasana for at least 15 minutes. Now, asking for 15 minutes from a focus from a beginner is maybe too much, right? So what beginners can do is they can start with 3 or 5 minutes and then slowly extend it to 15. So what Shavasana is not, it is not a time to sleep. It is not a time to think about what all you have to do after you get up from the Shavasana, or it is also not a waste of time. What is it? It is a practice in which you consciously, intentionally ask every part of your body, every cell, every tissue, every organ, every part of your body, every muscle, every bone, all your organs to relax and let go. This doesn't just apply to the physical part of your being, but also the mental part of your being, right? And emotional. So if there is any emotional baggage that is weighing you down, or any, let it be anxiety, let it be sadness, let it be grief, all of that, you visualize it to be that you are releasing it, right? And you are letting go of it. Even if it means for these 5 short minutes, you visualize that you're relaxing and finally letting go of all your stress, all your emotional baggages, and also all your tiredness, all your fatigue. And so it's basically a practice of release, rest, and rejuvenation. And you can call it short yoga nidra practice, where your consciousness is somewhere in between sleep and wakefulness. And you can also call it, it's also sometimes called as body scan meditation. So what are we waiting for? Let's learn what real Shavasana is. Let's experience it. Lie down on your backs on your mat and place your leg as wide as your yoga mat and let your feet fall onto either sides, as in let them completely loose. Same with your hands. Place your hands a little far from your body, but not far enough to feel them stretched out, only far enough as it feels relaxing. Close your eyes and simply relax. We are going to scan our bodies from toe to head and ask each of your body parts to relax and let go. Without opening your eyes, shift your focus onto your feet. Relax your toe fingers. Relax the top of your toes. Relax the soles of your feet. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your shins. Relax your back of the knee. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax all of your legs. Release. Let them go. They carry you all day. Now let them relax. Relax your pelvis, relax your tummy, your lower back, relax your middle back, your chest, relax your upper back, relax your fingers, the inside and outside of your palms. Relax your lower arm, your elbows. Relax your upper arms. Relax your complete palms. Let go of your arms. They do so much for you. Visualize all of your organs relaxing. Relax your shoulders. Most people have stiff shoulders and backs, upper backs, because a lot of trauma is stored there. So relax. Ask them to let go. It's your time to relax. Let go. Relax your neck, front of your neck, back of your neck, back of your head. Relax your chin, your lips, maybe drop your jaw a bit. Relax your cheeks, your nose. Relax your eyes. Relax all those tiny muscles around your eyes. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your forehead. Let go of any frown. Relax the top of your head, the crown of your head. Visualize even your hair relaxing. Let it down. Completely surrender your body. Release all your emotional baggages, all your burdens, all your worries, stress, anxiety. Give them all away to the earth. Let them go. Release them. Feel light. Now you may visualize a white, healing, calming, peaceful light entering through your feet and traveling up your body to your crown and filling your body up, healing it, revitalizing it, restoring it, filling your being up with peace. Visualize a golden light entering through your crown, moving downwards in your body to your feet and coming out from your feet. This golden light gives you the energy, the focus, the motivation, the fire that you need to face this day. These golden and white threads of light engulf and envelop you all around, protecting your energy today and giving you the peace, calm, healing, as well as focus, energy and motivation, completely balancing your being. Release, relax, enjoy. Now, shift your attention outwards. What sounds do you hear? How does your body feel against both your hands and your toes? Gently open your eyes, bring your feet together, raise up your right hand with the help of your left hand. Come back up. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Namaste.